chocolate
What
bunny.
is that? Is that a bunny? Allie, what else is in there?
Nuppy.
You need a nummy? Riley, don't touch. Riley. Allie, what else is in your basket? Are there books in there? Who's on your books? Who's on the books? What is that? Is that a chocolate egg?
Chocolate egg? Do you think there's a toy inside it?
Allie, who's on your books? What's that? Who's on that cup? Is it Sophia?
Mommy, taking the cup.
That's Allie's cup.
I cup.
Yeah.
Open it.
Okay, we can open it.
Oh.
What else is in your basket? Thank you. What else is in your basket, Allie?
No.
Who's on your book? Strawberry. Is that a new book?
Yeah. Read it.
We'll read it.
I cup.
Allie, is there another book over there?
Yeah.